folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As a reminder, folks, please make sure you're keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs fully inside the train, as well as having our little ones either sitting on a lap or on the bench. Once again, please keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs fully inside the train. My friend in car number 4, please go ahead and pull your foot all the way back inside the train.
Main Street, with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a big jump in. Here I am. So believe it when I say it. Around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hold your back and compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore. Now, if you're more of the rootin' tootins out there, this here's Frontierland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride on its runaway train and you'll see why. Looking to make a splash. Take a listen. We're almost there. Hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new borrowers. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Alrighty, folks, we're rolling into the station. Please remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. And you hear the magical words of all clear from me. Please remain fully seated at this time, friends. We are almost there. Please remain fully seated. Remain seated, folks. And we have that all clear. Feel free to disembark. Welcome to Frontierland, also your closest stop to Adventureland and Liberty Square.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love my name day. But for those times I'm fixing for something like this. Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey, Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
There it is, on that big metal snake.
It's so sweet, Jack. It's not a snake. It's a train.
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find a stronger friend.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around. We're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacular-rific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon.
Alrighty, folks, as we're coming into the station, please remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop, and you hear the magical words of all clear from me. Please remain fully seated at this time, friends. We are still moving. Please remain fully seated. Remain seated, folks. Please remain seated. Remain seated, please remain seated. Now we have that all clear, folks, and it is safe to disembark. Welcome to Fantasyland, also your closest stop to Tomorrowland. Please remain fully seated. We'll begin moving forward immediately.
Competition is fierce
boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treat. Afterwards, we'll be heading to Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind. And while we're being eager, let's say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello. This is Main Street Station. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As we approach the station, please remain seated up on the train until we come to a complete stop and I say the words we all hear. Now, please remain seated on board the train. Please remain We are going to be backing up once again. Please remain fully seated on board the train. Do not disembark at this time. We will be backing up. Please remain fully seated.